Hey, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Recently I got myself a lot of spikes here. I got tons and tons of spikes because I was dedicated to making you guys happy with my videos because I know that they're not gonna be good. You get to choose either 2 bad longs or 1 good long, or you can have all the risks. But and then second place is bad long of your choice. But then third place, somebody probably won't choose the risk. So if they don't choose the risks, then I'm going to let you guys pick one of these risks. Okay, I'm going to be showing you what is available here, and there's a little more, but this is just one of those like good looks at what's available. I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little video, and so just make sure to like and subscribe and comment, share, whatever. Well, don't share it because, like, I don't know, I'm gonna be so embarrassed. But so just, comment to me what you want to see. Can't do skits, but I can do like showing you me doing adventures, or I can do whatever you want. But yeah, so I hope to see you in my next video. If you don't like it, don't worry, you don't have to watch them anymore, but I'll see you in my next video.